Struggling to come up with the right hashtags for your Instagram posts? You're not alone. Finding the perfect set of hashtags that actually improve your reach can be a frustrating guessing game. You could spend 10 minutes typing random words, or worse, reuse the same hashtags that no longer work. But now, with AI, you can generate smart, relevant hashtags in seconds. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media hacks that save you time and get real results. Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose an AI tool. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Flick.tech, Copy.ai, or Hashtag Stack. Let's go with ChatGPT. It's free and gives you full control. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT smartly. Instead of saying, "Give me hashtags," type something like, "Generate 20 trending Instagram hashtags for a fitness reel about home workouts, targeting 18 to 35-year-olds, focused on bodyweight exercises." Boom, ChatGPT will give you context-specific, niche-targeted hashtags in seconds. You can also ask it to sort by high versus low competition, or to mix branded and community tags. Step 3. Review and copy. Copy the hashtags to your Notes app or Instagram post scheduler. Just avoid copying 30 hashtags every time. Instagram might see that as spammy. Stick to 10 to 15 high-quality, rotating tags. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a like and hit subscribe. More AI content tools are coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.